Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Android phone storage tips and tricks. If you find out that your Android phone storage is full, consider to watch this video from beginning to the end and see how you can solve the problem of storage full in your Android phone. Let me show you how. You go ahead and open up your file manager. Have you opened up your file manager? Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on browse. And the next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and simply click on manage right here, manage the storage. Then scroll down right here and you have recommended cleanup. So which simply means that you can clean up all the entire Android storage from recently deleted files, from large files, from old files, and from junk files. So what we want to do here is to see how we can delete some recently deleted file. Click on the recently deleted file. You have all recently deleted files, about 17 items right here. If I click on delete 17 items right here, I'm going to save about 8.79 gig from this Android storage. So what for that, I'm going to go ahead and click on delete 17 items. So delete 17 files. After deletion, the files cannot be restored. So go ahead and simply go ahead and click on delete right here. Just like so. The next thing you want to do is to go back right here, check your large files, review all the large files you have on your Android phone and see if there is anyone that you will need to delete permanently in order to free up more storage on your Android phone. So just like so, from the large files right here, review and check as many as possible large files and see which one you would like to completely delete from your Android phone. So you can select as many as possible large files from these sections right here. So this just one I selected right here is going to give me about 402 megabytes. You can decide to select as many as possible. So the more you select, the more you see numbers of files that you are going to save on your Android phone. So you can keep on selecting as much as possible, just like so. Just review and see as many as possible files that you can easily remove, just like so. So once you are done, then I select about 10 files and I'm going to save about 2.18 gig. Go ahead and click on delete items. So just like so, delete 10 files. After deletion, they cannot be restored. Go ahead and click on delete right here. Boom. So you can review as many as possible as the case may be. So let's go back from the large files right here. So next thing we want to do is to review our old files. Go ahead and click on old files right here. So these are old files right here. You can as well review as many as possible old files and delete them permanently from your Android phone in order to free up more storage space. The more you scroll down, the more you see all the numbers of files that you have as old files on your Android device, just like so. So you can delete as many as possible as the case may be. Like for instance, I'm going to just like so. So let's go back from the old file. Lastly, we want to review our junk files right here. Open junk files. Just like so, successfully clean up your junk file. Lastly, exit from the file manager right here. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and then look for File by Google Manager right here. Go ahead and click on Files. Then you are here. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and review apps. So under the app sections right here, you have large apps, unused app, then you have gaming app. So just like so, you have install apps right here. You have system app, you have app file by APK. So let's go back to install apps right here. So here you have all the number of apps that you have been installed so far on your Android phone with corresponding of the number of sites as the case may be. However, if you find out that there are some of apps that you no longer use on your Android phone, it's advisable that you simply remove them from your Android phone in order to save more storage space. Like for instance, I'm going to remove this app right here. And for that, go ahead and click on these three dots. And the next thing you want to do is to go ahead and hit on uninstall. And go ahead and hit on OK. Boom. So you can review and remove as many as possible. So I'm going to remove this also. Click on these three dots, click on uninstall, click on OK. Boom. So you can review and check as many as possible apps that you no longer want on your Android phone. Lastly, go ahead and click on games right here. If you have any special gaming app, because most of gaming app also consume a lot of storage space on your Android phone. And the next thing you want to do is to slide this way and check some of the APK app installed that you no longer use. Then make sure you remove as many as possible right here in order to free up storage space on your Android phone. Lastly, we want to make sure we exit from here and then go ahead and open up our Play Store. Go ahead and open up Play Store. So go ahead and open up your Play Store. Then go ahead and click on the profile icon. Then go ahead and click on Manage Apps and Device. Go ahead and click on Manage. Then go ahead and click on this device. Then go ahead and click on Not Install. Then remove as many as possible in these sections right here. So the more you select, the more you are going to see the number of space you are going to save on your Android phone, just like so. Having select as many as possible app you have here right here. So I'm going to remove this, remove this. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on this trash bin icon. So if I delete it, I'm going to save about 177 megabytes free storage. Click on remove. So there are a lot of apps right here. Everything depends on the number of apps you have been removing so far on your Android phone. You can remove as many as possible as the case may be on your Android phone. It's that simple. Go ahead and click on trash bin and remove them in order to free up more storage space on your Android phone. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks like this about how best to use your Android phone, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.